Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker in the taskbar and choose Sound Settings. Once done, make sure your system build supports custom sound schemes and that you have a WAV file ready in a simple folder path. You need admin rights only if changing system-wide sounds, otherwise your account is sufficient. Open Related Settings and go to More Sound Settings to continue. This moves you from the modern UI to the classic control where notification sounds live. Now in the Sound Control panel, switch to the Sounds tab so you can assign events. You'll pick the notification event or the specific app event you want to change. Selecting the right event is key because many apps use different events. Click Browse, navigate to your prepared WAV and select it. Make sure the sample plays cleanly. If it doesn't, convert to 16-bit 44. 1K HC WAV. When you hear the preview, click Apply to hold the change temporarily. Finish by saving your changes. Click Save as to create a custom sound scheme name so you can revert later, then click OK or Apply. Once applied, restart the app or system to ensure the new notification sound registers. Many apps only reread sounds at launch. If you hear nothing, make sure the correct playback device is set, volume and focus assist are off, and your WAV is PCM 16-bit. Convert or re-export if necessary. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.